Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I posted. I recently moved and I am excited to make some new videos soon. But for today, I am going to show you how I make the bath bombs that I sell on my Etsy. Here are some of the products that I have, and I will link my Etsy down below. So today we're going to make heart-shaped bath bombs. I actually found these at the dollar store. You don't need any sort of special mold, so that works. So the first thing that we need is baking soda. We're going to use a cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, and half a cup of Epsom salts, and we will mix this all together. You look at me and say my dreams are... So first I'm going to make lavender bath bombs, but I'll also show you how I make rose bath bombs. We're going to add about a cup of each of those. Leave me a note on the bed when I've had a day. The highs and lows you always ride them out with me. 'Cause you are my love language. I think it's time. Also, this is my setup, by the way. I am on the kitchen floor using my boyfriend's Yeti as a table. I plan on getting a small table for my kitchen so that I can do projects like this, but for now I'm on the floor. So now we're going to mix the wet ingredients, and we need about 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. This is a new container I just got, so let's try this out. And then we need to add a teaspoon of water. There I am just guessing. That's about a teaspoon. And then whatever fragrance that we choose to use, I'm using these essential oils, and you will add about 20 to 30 drops. And go ahead and mix the two together. You can use your hands to kind of knead it. Make sure the moisture is evenly spread throughout. This will help later when you are packing them into the molds. So now we're going to go ahead and pack this into the hearts. We're going to add some to each side, and then you don't want to push it in too much. We're going to go ahead and put some in between and then squeeze it together. You just want to make sure that when you pull it apart, they actually stick together. So you'll want to make sure that there's enough in that middle layer. It's okay if it overflows, because then you can just brush it off, if that makes any sense at all. So here I am making the rose bath bombs. We're just going to take these rose buds and we're going to crush them up. I'm not measuring exactly a cup, but just enough to get the desired color texture that you want. I know that I could be the one to change your life. Worse off for better. Pardon me, where are my manners? It's a pleasure to meet you. Can't help but admire. Too high for me, we can't agree. What can you see me? Yo, empty feelings, no anesthesia. Sun-kissed skin golden, fragrance by ocean. The present is pleasant, time stands still frozen. Can I find the fine words here? You got me stuttering. But by the look on your face, I can see that you're loving it. Is it real or facade? Can I tell what you got on? What's good, yeah, what's up? What's the deal, like for one? Need some room for progression. Keep it simple, like for one. I
see the way you move dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just see to believe all that I can't be.